Here's how to check if your TV is set to stereo or surround sound. The first thing that you're going to do is get the remote of your television and press on the home button. Once you're already on the home button, go ahead and click on the menu options of your television. Afterwards, you will see there the settings option or the gear icon. Scroll down and you will see there the all settings and click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there the features or options such as picture, sound connection, broadcasting, general and privacy and support. Now what you need to do is go to the sound settings, and then once you're ready on the sound settings, you will see there the expert settings. Now click on the expert settings option and you will see there the Dolby Atmos. Now it means that you are already on a round stereo application, or you are already in loud audio of your television. And that is how you check it.